What's going on, everybody? Auterman with you here today. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you need to stop trading futures in 2024. Now, first of all, this is not a forever thing, right? This is not even remotely close to a forever thing. This would be like saying, don't invest in crypto when it's down, right? No. It's going to be phenomenal like it is right now. But there's just certain points where you don't really want to be touching certain stuff because it doesn't provide the best expected value. Now, first of all, what is expected value? EV. It is the chance, the percent chance that you get a favorable, profitable, probable outcome, right? And in trading, it's basically the probable, hopeful, favorable outcome that we want is making money, right? Winning a trade, essentially. Now, what I have found, and I see a lot of people that haven't found this, but I'm sure if they actually traded live funds, they would know this. But futures have really not provided the best opportunities at all so far in 2024. Not even close. Go on a 60-day, 1-minute chart on Thinkorswim and go through all the trading days in regular hours, right? In regular hours, 9:30 to 11. And tell me how many of those days were we moving just fantastic, right? Quick 40-point rip on ES, 100, 200-point rip on NQ. We have not gotten that at all this year. We've gotten a nice move on the indexes. We've gotten a pretty nice move, but we haven't actually gotten great intraday price action, and that's all that matters in day trading, obviously. Now, what I have found to be better than trading futures right now is stock trading. That's what I have on my computer right now, and also crypto. Crypto has been phenomenal. I mean, Bitcoin has just actually hit a new all-time high earlier today, at $72,000. So I have found that trading Coinbase, Nvidia, SMCI, ARM, Meta, all those kind of stocks, and then small cap stocks have been so much better than indexes. Indexes right now, and the thing is too, before I go into this, futures used to move like, I quit stocks for futures. That's how good futures were moving. Right, this is back in 2022 when stocks were not really doing much, but futures would go crazy. And the reason for that was that everyone in the United States was looking at the possibility of a recession, of high inflation. So, where's the best point of reference to look at how the markets are doing? Obviously, ES, NQ. Straight up, right? No one's looking at small cap stocks. No one's looking at Tesla, even Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. No one's looking at those. Why? Those are individual companies, right? And in my opinion, I think that futures move better during times of economic fear than they do right now when everything is going up, right? Just flat out. And you can cross-reference the charts. Look at ES and NQ on a 1-minute chart for the last 2 months. Look at Nvidia, SMCI, Coinbase, just a ton of different small cap stocks. Look at all of those, and you'll see how much of a difference there is. Look at BMR, I think maybe around a month ago. Went from, I think, $5 to $35 in a couple hours. $5,000 could have turned into literally $30,000, $35,000. Right? You can't really do that in futures right now. Now, the other thing is that as of a couple days ago, I think starting Thursday, futures actually have been moving pretty well. Right here is ES, right here is NQ. They're actually not moving phenomenal, but they have been moving better in the last couple days. They used to literally, you could scan a barcode reader and it would actually ring up as something. That is how bad the price action would be. There would be no volatility. It would all be at 3 o'clock in the morning, right? Or just after hours. And as of recently, we've actually gotten a little bit better of intraday movement. Now, will we really get that for the next I don't even know 8 months of the year? Probably not. Probably not. But again, I do think that stocks are just the way to go right now. Stocks and crypto, I would recommend more day trading stocks and investing in crypto. That's just what I found to have been the best way to make money. I think it's better to day trade stocks and not day trade crypto, because there's a lot of gains in crypto by investing in them, and you just don't want to miss the actual really, really nice moves. So yeah, I mean, that is basically why I just think that right now you need to be switching over to stocks and futures, or stocks and crypto, sorry, and switching away from futures. And again, does this mean that you have to never trade futures again? Of course not. There will be a time where futures are the best thing to trade again, right? But right now, I mean, this is not a great day for, coin, Nvidia, SMCI, but guys, there would be days where, I mean, Nvidia would be up 10%. Like, it would be a squeeze beyond belief. And ES just barcoded the entire day with absolutely no movement, had maybe like a 15-point range. Right? There's just not enough money to be made in futures right now. Now, I still think that you should be looking at index charts, right? Definitely don't give up your intuition and your skills at reading futures, because again, there will be a time where futures will be moving like Nvidia, and they were in 2022 and a decent majority of 2023. Futures were seriously the thing to trade. They're just not anymore, and that's no problem because we have other assets, and that's why I think that you should be, an asset bender, right? If you ever watched Avatar: The Last Airbender, right? Aang, being the Avatar, can trade, I don't even know what they call it anymore. I haven't watched it in so long. But he can, bend, that's what it is, right? He can bend air, water, earth, and fire, right? He's not just a water bender that can only do water, right? So you don't want to be just a water bender, just a futures trader. You don't just want to be a crypto guy. Because 12 months ago, when crypto was really not doing anything, you were not making money. But right now, you touch anything in crypto, you will be making gobs of money, right? Trading literal meme coins of Geo Bowden, right? Donald Trump or something like that. These silly meme dog with hat. I mean, give me a break. These things are a joke, but they are really providing solid opportunities. And again, this is why you need to really focus on your bread and butters, but once you actually know how to trade those, then definitely look for other opportunities, because there's always going to be a hot sector of the markets, no matter if it's a recession, right? If it's a recession, there's going to be some sector of the market that is going to be the market to be in. Right now, it's stocks and crypto. I mean, 9 months from now, a year from now, it could be back to futures. You literally just don't know. You don't know. And that's why you need to have exposure to the most amount of asset classes as possible. And I think if you do that, you'll be in a much better position than the person who only focuses on one thing, and when that thing dries up, doesn't really move, is not volatile, they're just not going to be making money. And in trading, the only way you make money is literally by volatility. Straight up. That is the only reason. That is the only way you can make money in trading. You don't make money unless you're an option seller by periods of no volatility. You will get cooked. You will blow up your account trying to trade chop. And that's what I found in 2024. I'm only down $1,000 on my futures account. That's irrelevant. I'm up 10 grand today on crypto. It's not even a thought. But I just realized that, man, I should have been looking at stocks, because while I was looking at opportunities in ES and MQ, there was opportunities in Nvidia, SMCI, ARM, Coinbase, the entire year so far. The entire year. I've only had Coin, ARM, with Meta today, but Nvidia, SMCI on my chart for literally the entire year. Because it's just been solid price action. So yeah, I'm kind of, just rambling at this point, but I really just want to drill down to you guys how important it is to trade multiple asset classes. Because this is a mistake that I've made, and I've been trading for 5-6 years, I don't even know, a while, and I've been through every single market, or every single different market, and I've just found that there's good ones, there's pros and cons of every single one, but when there's just not volatility, you just 100% need to be looking around and observing other asset classes to find a good opportunity. So with that being said, just make sure that you guys aren't just sticking to one asset class. Unless it's working for you, that's great, but have a backup plan just in case that dries up, because otherwise you will be losing money or just not really doing anything, just kind of wasting your time. And we don't want to be wasting our time. We want to be trading things that are in play that have a lot of volatility, because really it is not hard to make money when things are just going nuts, right? When things are just going crazy, right? That's why I love small caps so much. That's why I love crypto so much, because it's like as one of these SMB traders, Lance says, it's a broken slot machine, right? It's one of those slot machines that you pull the lever, the handle, and 70% of the time you'll be winning instead of 30% of the time, right? Just an infinite money glitch, right? So that's why I just think it's super important, to trade different asset classes. And again, I'm not saying that futures are bad, right? They're not bad at all. It's just right now they're just not moving. Big deal. Trade something else. That simple. I always have futures on the chart, stocks on the chart, crypto right here. Right, I gotta keep tabs on everything because there could be a play here, play there, and it does cost a lot of money in trading. It does cost a lot. You need, at least, what, $2,000 for futures. So $2,000 for futures, $30K to be on the safe side for stocks, and then if you're in the U.S., you can't really trade crypto like leverage, so you can only do spot. And if you want to make anything sizable, at least $30 to $50K. So that's what, 60 to 80K. If you want to be fully, properly exposed to all markets. So if you don't have that, unfortunately you can't really be a asset bender, but you can work on it. And anyone that says that you can't, they're just lying to you. You don't need to buy a stupid prop firm challenge account, which again is you're only locked in one space, so that's dumb anyways. So yeah, guys, I really just think you guys need to switch, not even switch, but just have tabs on other products to trade, right? The stock market, which, futures are technically still part of the stock market, so stocks, futures, and crypto, all you need. Of course, if I'm saying that you need to have other markets on watch, hey, we could include Forex and fixed income and bonds and all that. But I think, honestly, those are even worse than futures most of the time. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys were able to take away some things from this video. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button. We have broken past 200. Really, really happy about that. If we could get up to 250, 300 by the end of March, that would be absolutely fantastic. And have a great rest of your day and keep crushing it. Peace.